Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Boating App. First, download the free Garmin ActiveCaptain app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and create a new Garmin account or log in with an existing one. You will then be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. After that, you can begin exploring the basic interface, which includes a map view and several menu options for customization and feature access. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Next, let's dive into navigation. The app provides access to incredibly detailed marine charts, showing depth contours, navigation aids, and points of interest. You can easily create and manage routes by simply tapping on the map to add waypoints. The auto guidance feature can even suggest the best path, considering your vessel's draft. You can also measure distances between any 2 points with impressive precision, often within a few feet, making trip planning much simpler. Now, let's explore some advanced features and connectivity. You can wirelessly connect the app to compatible Garmin chart plotters, allowing for seamless data synchronization. Overlay real-time weather information, including radar and wind forecasts, directly onto your charts. The ActiveCaptain community provides valuable local insights and points of interest shared by other boaters. Plus, you can manage and update your Garmin device software and charts directly from the app, ensuring you always have the latest information. Finally, let's talk about safety and maintenance. The app offers crucial safety features, like setting anchor alarms to alert you if your boat drifts beyond a specified radius, typically 25 feet. Always keep your charts and app software updated for optimal performance and accuracy. If you encounter any issues, the app provides inbuilt support resources for troubleshooting common problems. For more complex technical assistance, Garmin customer support is readily available to help you get back on the water safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.